Hello guys, we are gonna check best dashcam in 2023. Number 1. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Tiny camera. Huge protection featuring a wide 140-degree field of view that captures and saves important details in 1080p HD video. The car key-sized, voice-controlled Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 has you covered. No grainy video here. Record 1080p HD video with a 140-degree field of view. If an incident occurs, saved video will automatically upload to the secure online vault. Voice control makes everything easier with hands-free spoken commands. Use live view monitoring to check on your car remotely. Parking guard feature alerts you to incidents affecting your parked vehicle. No more having to choose. Dual USB means you can plug in your phone and dashcam. Number 2. Kingslam D4 4K Dual Dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi GPS. Kingslam D4 4K Dual Dash Camera can simultaneously record videos in front 4K 2160p at 25 fps and rear 1080p resolution, clearly capturing license plates and road signs. Ultra HD 4K resolution also can providing high-definition footages for self-driving travel enthusiasts. You can switch to front view in QHD 2.5K, 2560x 1440 at 30 fps, and rear view in Full HD 1080p, 1920x 1080 at 25 fps, for daily video recording. Capture QHD details to help restore the truth. Sony sensor and night vision. Kingslam Dual Dashcam adopts the industry-leading Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor and Hasilican HI3559 processor. With super night vision, f1.8 aperture, and WDR technology, you can record stunning details, even in low-light environments. With front 170 degrees and rear 150 degrees super wide viewing angles and 6-layer glass fixed focus lens, it gives you maximum coverage of the road and greatly enhances night vision, providing sharp and clear images and videos. 3. IPS touchscreen, easy operation at your fingertips without fiddly buttons. IPS makes for brighter and higher contrast images. Use one finger to control more Kingslam car dash camera features, such as parking monitor, G-sensor, collision detection, seamless loop recording, emergency video lock, and time-lapse video recording. Built-in Wisconsin Fi and GPS with real-time location, showing the driving route and driving speed. Manage the driving route on your iOS and Android devices via the app. Front and rear camera for cars with Wi-Fi allows you to download. Number 3. Cobra Smart Dash Cam. Whether you're on the road or parked, a commercial driver or commuter, hauling cargo or chauffeuring kids, you're covered from all angles and all situations. With stunning, easily shareable 4K UHD resolution, Alexa built-in, heads-up navigation, and live police alerts, there's no better way to protect the vehicles, drivers, passengers, and cargo you value most. See just how much peace of mind the award-winning Cobra South. Number 4. A119V3 with GPS 2K 2560 1600p 30 fps Quad HD Plus Car Dashcam. Best Budget Dashcam 2022, reviewed by CarCam Central. The latest version among the A119 series. Quad HD Plus 2560 1600p Sony Starvis IMX335 5MP sensor. f1.6 aperture 7 elements glass lens. 2.0-inch HD LCD display. 140 degrees wide viewing angle. G-sensor and motion detection. Buffered parking mode. Quick release mount. GPS logger. Included, CPL filter. HK3 hardwire kit. Supports high-endurance micro South Dakota card up to 256 GB. Parking mode recording always requires an HK3 cable to connect the camera to the car's battery through the fuse box. Number 5. Hiboli HP88 4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. Advantages of HP88 Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear 4K UHD A-List Premium Budget 4K Dual Dash Cam. 2-channel dash cam front and rear. Wi-Fi connection and built-in GPS. 3 IPS touchscreen parking monitor. Elegant and excellent build quality. 4K dash cam front and rear. Hiboli 4K car driving recorder achieves the best results of shooting video at 3840x2160 Ultra HD, capturing your driving moment vividly, as well as showing strong evidence once needed. Touchscreen Wi-Fi GPS parking mode. The car camera supports up to 256 GB SD card. 64 to 256 GB. U3 level is suggested. Please don't use SanDisk and Transcend card. Please format the card before use. Parking monitor without hardwiring. The dash cam has built-in battery, so you can turn on parking monitor to protect your car when it is parked.